Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So blending images lets you combine two visuals into one seamless results, perfect for creative edits, composites, ads and storytelling. In this guide I will show you step by step how to blend two images on OpenArt in 2026. So first thing first, choose two compatible images. So you need base image, which is the main scene, and second image, which is the element or style to add. So make sure similar lighting, matching angles, compatible style, because alignment means realism in this case. Okay, so upload base image, so open OpenArt. Okay, go to image editor or image to image. Okay, so upload your main image. Okay, this is your foundation. Okay, so add second image as reference. Okay, so you have here the reference image. Okay, so as you can see here, describe it in a prompt. Okay, so this is this guides the blend. So select area to blend, like make, mask, brush tool. So choose where to merge, like background, object area, face or elements. Keep selection precise. Write a blend-in prompts, like for example, we have here just an example to make the explanation. So blend this person into the scene naturally, matching lighting and shadows. Okay, or combine both images seamlessly, realistic composition. Okay, so include realistic lighting, smooth transition. Okay, focus on integration and adjust strength settings, like medium strength work the best, like balance from too low or too high. Like too low means weak blend and too high means distortion. Okay, so control blending level. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.